In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Twitter username. Think of Twitter username as your Twitter handle. It always starts with a prefix @ So to change our own, just click on your profile icon on the top left corner. Currently, our Twitter username is @tech4good. So if you want to change this thing, we proceed on profile. We scroll down to locate settings and privacy and click it. Proceed to your account. Then again, click on account information. Here you could see your username @tech4good. You could also see other important informations here. To change your username, continue on username. Then here you have your current and your new. So for instance, if you want to change to a new username, the current username is tech4good. So to change your username, just delete this one and type the preferred username that you want. Tech4good global. This username is currently available for us to pick. Make sure in selecting your username you are careful with the selection, as this will now become your new identity on Twitter. So after you are done, you can proceed to hit done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.